Morning traders, it's 9:15 this morning. Things moved quite quickly this morning, so I wasn't able to record me placing my orders. As you can see, we already kicked into a long position on the spike outside of the range. Currently sitting at 111 Rand down. Hopefully it's just a retracement before it continues up. But we need to set our stop losses. So let's set our stop loss. I've placed a line in the middle of the range. So the stop loss is there, 250. I see this one slightly above the line. Let's put it there. And our take profits, as always, 500 Rand away to start with, and we'll evaluate as we go along. So 500 Rand to the upside and 500 Rand to the downside. I'm going to have to watch these levels over here because yesterday it didn't break higher than these levels. So once it gets to this point, we'll have to see if it breaks through or bounces off. But we'll keep you posted on what's happening. Okay, it's now 10:54. As you can see, we had a very nice upward move here, and it took us out at our take profit. So on that trade, we made a total of 506 Rand and 58 cents, which is a great start to the day. Nice quick trade. And as you can see, it's currently sort of hanging around, went slightly higher, currently hanging around where we exited. So now what we're going to do is just be patient, give it some time, see what happens, and who knows, it might come down and break through the bottom, or it might continue up. In that case, we'll evaluate and decide whether we want to place another order to go long. But I'll keep you informed about what's going on as the day progresses. Okay, it's now 5 to 3. Not much has happened since we took profit on the last trade. As you can see, it's gone up and slightly retracing for the last 3 hours. What I am going to do now, though, is place an order to go long above this candle over here. Just because it's kind of looking like it's going to be going up, and if it breaks through this high, I think it could be a nice long position to be in. It might come all the way down, might sort of just hover around here, but I just want to have an order in the market just in case. So let's place that order. The high of this candle is 4087.15. So let's make it at 4089.15. So that order's in over there. Stop loss. The stop loss of this order is at 255. So I'm going to put it around about the same sort of level. Let's say 270. For now, I'm not going to place a take profit order. I'm just going to kind of see what happens as we go along. As you can see, if it breaks above this level, there's not much stopping it until around this level over here, which is almost around 1,000 Rand per contract. So maybe I'll put my take profit at 1,000 Rand and just see what happens. Like I said, it might not even trigger it, but it's good to have an order in case it does. So I'll keep you posted probably just after the market opens and let you know what's happening there. Okay, it's 22 minutes past 10 p.m. So after a good couple of hours, our long position was eventually kicked in. at 9:06 p.m. It hasn't done much since we got kicked in. We're currently sitting at 72 Rand profit, which is obviously not a lot, but yeah, the market's not really moving much at the moment. As you can see, it's not changing much at all. So what I'm going to do is remove this order to go short, and then, just because it's the end of the night and the market's quite slow, I'm going to place my stop loss at break even, just so that I don't lose any money on this trade. The chances are pretty good that I'll get stopped out, but anything can happen, and it might just continue higher. Who knows? But I'll have to check and see in the morning. So I'll update you in the morning on what has happened to this trade overnight. Okay, so it's the next morning. As I suspected, we got stopped out. As you can see, from 12 o'clock it just kind of came down. So we lost 13 Rand and 36 cents, which brings our total for yesterday down to 493 Rand and 22 cents. Unfortunately, losing that 13 Rand. But yeah, not a bad day trading, and let's see what today brings. Cheers.